In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for past events. If you've ever tried to remember when a meeting happened or which venue you used last year, the quickest way to find it is with Google Calendar's built-in search. I'll walk you through it so you can locate older events in just a few moments. First, open Google Calendar on the device you prefer. On a computer, launch it in your web browser. On a phone or tablet, open the Google Calendar app. Either way, once the calendar view is in front of you, you're ready to search. Next, look for the search bar at the very top of the screen. You'll see a magnifying glass icon that makes it easy to spot. On desktop, click right into that field. On mobile, tap the magnifying glass to bring up the search box in your keyboard. Now type in keywords that relate to the event you're trying to find. You can use words from the event title, the location, or the names of guests who were invited. For example, try a distinctive word from the title, a venue or city name, or the name of a person who attended. If your first try is too broad, add another detail to narrow it down, like combining a topic and a place. Short, specific phrases usually work best, and you don't need to remember the exact wording to get useful results. When you're ready, press Enter on your keyboard or tap the search button on your phone. Google Calendar will display a list of matching events. You'll typically see results that include both upcoming and past entries, each labeled with its date and time so you can quickly gauge where it falls on your timeline. To find what already happened, simply scroll through the results and focus on dates that have passed. Older items will appear further down the list, sometimes grouped by month or year depending on your device. If you're seeing too many results or they don't look right, go back to the search bar and refine your keywords by adding a location detail or a guest's name to zero in on the exact event you need. That's all there is to it. Open Google Calendar, use the search bar, type meaningful keywords from the title, location, or guests, press Enter, and then scroll the results to spot your past events. With this approach, you can quickly retrace your schedule and pull up the details you need without digging through old dates manually. Thanks for watching and happy searching.